In this video, I'll guide you through how to upgrade a Capital One credit card. Whether you're looking to take advantage of better rewards, lower interest rates, or improved benefits, upgrading your credit card can be a smart financial move. So let's dive right in and make the process as simple as possible. First, you'll want to log into your Capital One online account. If you're on the go, you can also open the Capital One mobile app. Both options will get you to the same place, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select the credit card you're interested in upgrading. This is important because Capital One might offer different upgrade options depending on the card you currently have. Once you've selected your card, keep an eye out for an upgrade offers or product upgrade option. This feature is typically found within your account settings. If it's available, you'll see a list of different card options you're eligible to upgrade to. It's a good idea to compare these options carefully, considering factors like annual fees, rewards categories, and any special promotions that might be offered. Not seeing any upgrade offers? Don't worry. You can also call the customer service number on the back of your card. Speaking directly with a representative can sometimes uncover offers that aren't visible online. Plus, they can provide guidance on which upgrade might be the best fit for your financial goals. After you've selected the upgrade that suits you best, rest assured that your account history generally remains the same. This means your credit history won't be affected and your account will continue to function as it always has. You can expect to receive your new card in about 7 to 10 business days. So keep an eye on your mailbox, and there you have it. That's how to upgrade your Capital One credit card. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth transition to a card that better fits your needs. Don't forget to activate your new card once it arrives, and take a moment to review any new terms or conditions associated with your upgraded card. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks about managing your finances. Thanks for watching and happy upgrading.